Where? In the office?
Yeah.
That wasn't there a while ago.
That's a piece of roof enough.
No.
You're not gonna open it. It can't push enough. The wind is pushing this way now. It's crazy. The coconut tree's gone. Look at that house over there. The roof on that house is coming off right about now. I've been waiting on that all night.
Really?
The roof.
Yeah.
People them house. Hope them not there.
Damn. Watch it tear. Tearing, you know?
And it's 2 layers.
It's tearing off.
Look at that on the floor over there.
Jordan, it's still a minute. Oh yeah, I can get a color there.
It was once there. No, there's no more.
He's gone.
Head gone.
Yes, it's going to fish us fly out the water.
Jolly, it's good.
That water rising, you know? Yes, rising. It wasn't like that. A couple minutes ago, it wasn't like that. That is rising.
The wind is sticking out. Oh, the water's coming through right about now. It's flooding. The roof of this house right here is about gone. Yeah, pretty bad.
But you never got a little close too?
I see. Okay, well that's
Wow, savage. Much flooding inside
For
here.
how long? Yeah, but it's sustained for how long you think? Sustained for how long? Okay. Alright, now even if you alright, I hear you.
I'm walking around in my water boots. It's out there.
Let's circle
Mate. Cool. horribly, disgustingly stink. It, oh. You're just getting a lucky shot. Oh my gosh. Well, look how hard the water is. Right now I'm talking with my shirt or my mouth. But look at it. This is horrible. I don't have my water boots walking around. And what is... And it's this... Look at it. Look at it on the table. It's pretty bad, guys. Look at the pulsar. Up to the wheel. Ah, boy. Look at that. That's a bumper of Adios Cucarachas. And I'll take it to the other side. Looky here. What do you say? It stinks pretty bad, guys. Jeez. Look at that. Wow. Whoa. Look at Matthew's car. It's almost underwater. The AC vent's almost fully underwater. And this is gonna be on for another couple hours. So I'll update you later. Ah, look at this. At least it doesn't smell as bad, but it's pretty much a lake now, or a river, whatever you want to call it. It's not even cool though. Not cool one bit. You feel me? And that thing over there is causing the disturbing and beeping noise. Oh, there we go, that's it. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. 9 o'clock exactly. The water is about almost a foot. Look at that. Floodation. Look at the van. Look at Matthew's car. It's at the bumper. Look at that. It's crazy. We just keep getting surges and more surges and more surges. Sorry about that. The roof is almost completely gone. Keeping you updated. .903. The wind is just pounding on the front of the here. And I'm by Ravella's desk. The water's about 16 to 15 inches. It's pretty scary. Oh my. And the door frame is cracking. And it's 10 to 10. It's pretty scary, I guess. Look at that. Maybe look at that.
How long is this thing expected to be with us? How long is it expected to be here?
I think someone said until 6 o'clock tonight.
6 o'clock.
crazy, yo.
Terrible. As far as you know, it's really high. You know, I don't think we're going to start getting reports of such until phones start working properly, the radio stations start working. You know, I did some. I would say, I wouldn't even go there. I would say wind slowed some. Not subside, slowed some. Doesn't seem as much as it can. All right? Yeah, that would be good. Let's keep it going on.
I'm going. The Bachadane. Is that boat over there?
Gilbert was a northwest of it.
I was here for Gilbert. I figured we'd start anything.
I hear talk about storm surge on TV, but I did.